Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about EC2 with Linux GitHub clone. Now we are in AWS Academy dashboard. First we have to go to AWS Academy Learner Lab tile. In this we have to select the modules. And here we can see the launch lab. We have to go. And in this we can see the AWS start lab and lab. If we want to start lab, we will be clicking on the start lab and the AWS will be changing from red to yellow. After completing the thing, it will be changing to green. Then we can enter into AWS. And after completing, we will be clicking on end lab. Before doing this, we will be going from another steps because we want GitHub link. So we will be searching in Google that templatembo.com and we'll be entering. After this, we'll be getting this page. Here we will be having some of the templates and we will be downloading one. Let's download the first portfolio. After clicking on first portfolio, we will be getting like this. We have to scroll down. Then we can see download. We have to click on download button. Then the file will be downloaded here. So after downloading, we will be going to GitHub and we will be clicking on create new repository. In new repository, we will be giving one name. Like I am giving the AWS. And after that, I am creating the repository. That's the repository I have created, that AWS. After creating with add file, we will be uploading the file. Like we will be choosing the file as template first portfolio and we will be doing that. And I have already uploaded the template embo.villa zip file. So I'm using that for doing this lab. The first step is we will be going to templatembo.com and we will be selecting one template and we will be downloading it. And later we will be going to GitHub and we will be creating the repository. In that repository, we will be adding that downloaded file. And after this, we will be going to Learners Lab. In this Learners Lab, we will be doing Start Lab. As we previously discussed, this red color changes to yellow. After getting started, it will changes to green. Yes, we can see that this AWS changes to green. So it is now we can click on AWS. This will be redirecting to AWS portal. If someone is not having the dashboard, they can directly log into that AWS and they can see this page. If you are new user, then recently visited pages will not be visible for you. So in search bar, you should type like EC2. And this first one we have to select. And we can see here instances running is 0 because we didn't start anything. If we do any instances like we will be starting, then we can see instances running 1. Because of this instances running only, the cost will be evaluated and will be given for us. So now we'll be going to launch instance. In launch instance, we'll be giving this unique name like our wish, and I am giving here as line EC2. And I'm selecting the OS as Amazon Linux. And I'm going for T2.micro. And I'm selecting key pair as Woki. And I'm selecting all the protocols. And I'm doing the launch instance. See, we can see that the successfully we have launched the instance. So now we have to click on this link. Then it will be directing to connect the page. Okay, we can see the instance is pending, like it is initiating now itself. So it takes some time, like 10 to 15 seconds. So after that, we can start it. So we can see instance state is running. So we should connect that. Connect. This is the Linux page, and we can see it is like bird. And now we have to enter the commands. The first command we are going to enter is sudo su. And the second command we are going to enter is yum update. Here we should wait for some time, like 30 seconds, because the process is running. We are not getting anything to enter. So we have to wait for some time. Now it is complete. And the third command we are entering is yum install and entering. Yes, now it is completed. Now we'll go with git. Now we will be checking the system state by using systemctl. We can see it is inactive. So we'll be starting that. Okay, we have started. Now we'll be linking the GitHub by writing the command as git clone. Now we should go to GitHub, and we have uploaded the template here. So by clicking on code, we'll be getting the link, and we have to copy this URL, and we have to go to this by, okay, we went here and we have copied the code, and we are going to GitHub, that EC2 Linux, and we'll be double click, like we'll be doing the right click, and we can see paste. We have to do paste. In this control C control V will not work, so we are doing with right click, and we'll be entering. Then after we will be using the command cd and the repository name. Here my repository is AWS, capital A, small w s. So same thing I'm using here, capital A, small w s, and entering it. Now I'll be unzip temp tab. We are unzipping the zip file. So we will be using unzip command, and we'll be writing the temp, and we can press tab. Then we can see that file, or we can copy paste the folder here and pressing the enter. Okay, we can see this. Now we will be writing the command mv temp tab, and then space var html. Now it is okay. We'll be going to thing, and we can see public, going to public address. Here Chrome is not accepting all the terms, so we'll be going and opening in the incognito. Continue to send. See, now we can see that file. The template file I have downloaded. Here the file is getting with public ID. So this is the thing we have created by using the EC2 Linux Git cloning. And if we want to delete it, just go to EC2 and instances, select the thing we have created, an instance state, and terminate. Successfully terminate. We can see that is shutting down. Because we have seen before it is running and now it is shutting down. After some time we can see like before terminated. Before once this is terminated. Now this is shutting down. We can see this is also in terminated stage. Then actually the commands we have used is sudo su yum update yum install while httpd, and we have done with git, and we have checked the system status. It is inactive, so we have started, and afterwards we have cloned the repository. Then we have selected the repository in GitHub, and we have taken the zip folder, and after that we have more template, and we have can see in public. Now we okay, we see it. Okay, like before I said it is it will be terminated. It is terminate. Yes, in dashboard we can verify whether the things are running or deleted. It is in deleted. So we have successfully created and deleted the GitHub cloning and with using Linux. Thank you. And we can go here by using, we can, okay, after completing here, we can close this and we can go to launch AWS Academic Lab and we can end lab. If we are directly logging with AWS Academy, just we can log out and it is done. Here we can see this AWS changes to red. This means the lab has ended. So we can close this also and we can end the lab. Thank you.